Every YouTuber is calling Gemini CLI a coding god. They're showing off flashy demos where it builds entire apps from a single prompt. The hype is massive. But what happens when the tool gets used in a real developer workflow? Let's break down what the demo videos don't always tell you. First, it's not stateless, but it's not truly stateful either. Yes, it uses a Gemini.md file to remember things. But this isn't just a log file. It's the AI's entire programming Bible, hard-coded, with an incredibly opinionated style guide for modern React, telling it to avoid use effect and rely on the new React compiler. But the reality is, developers still report having to re-explain things more often than they'd like. It's a step up from older tools, but it's still not the seamless pair programming seen with GitHub Copilot. Second, it's great at editing, but clumsy at starting from scratch. Give it an existing project, and it can brilliantly tweak, refactor, and even spin up a Flask backend. But hand it a blank folder and say, build me something, and the process feels like babysitting. It gets the job done, eventually. But don't expect a clean app structure right out of the gate. Third, toolchain integration is still in its infancy. It can access the file system and create environments, but you won't get live feedback from linters, test runners, or custom dev tools unless you install and configure third-party MCPs. And even then, reports suggest it's clunky. The experience feels powerful, but duct-taped together. So, is Gemini CLI a Copilot killer? Not yet, but it's getting dangerously close. The fact that you get Gemini 1.5 Pro for free with 1 million tokens and 1,000 daily requests is more firepower than most paid tools offer. And it's evolving at a terrifying pace. This is the future of large language models, not in chat boxes, but living in your terminal. And Gemini CLI? It's a rough but incredibly powerful first step. The consensus is, it's not time to switch over completely, but everyone is watching this one very, very closely.